Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty God. So right now I am returning home from my coaching. I went to my coaching around 2 p.m. and now it's almost 5:30. So that's why now I am on the way to my house. Okay, so I'm with my friend Apurva behind me. I requested him to come in front of camera, but he don't want to come camera, so that's why he is walking behind me. Okay, so today I had 3 subjects coaching and the subject was biology, chemistry and physics. Okay, so my coaching finished just few minutes earlier and now I am returning home. Okay, so today's weather is very nice. Just look at today's weather. It's similar like yesterday. Yesterday it was cloudy and today's weather is also cloudy. Maybe it can rain later on because the sky is cloudy. Okay, so it's a very busy road. There are so many rickshaws and autos are roaming on the street and I'm walking beside the road. Okay, so yeah, it's a very busy road and people of the city is also busy, very busy with their work. They have no time and I'm making this video at the street. A lot of people actually watching me. They're actually thinking that what I'm actually doing. Okay, they surprisingly look at me, but I don't feel shy because I'm doing a good thing. I'm making English video. I don't make TikTok or any kind of funny video. Okay, so that's why I don't have any problem. Okay, if they come and say what I am doing, I will explain them. Okay, so now I'm going to home because still now I don't take my lunch. After reach my home, then I will take my lunch. So that's why it's very important to go home quickly and then take my lunch. I'm very hungry right now because still now I don't take my lunch. So that's why it's very tough day for me because in the morning I went to my college and then my coaching. The whole day actually gone by going college and my coaching. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best.